Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to be explaining how to use the countdown feature in the QW33 smartwatch. So the countdown feature is actually useful. Maybe you want to count down maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, maybe you're cooking and you want to actually maybe simmer for a number of minutes, or you want to do any other activity that requires a specific amount of time. You can actually use your QW33 smartwatch to actually do that too. So we'll just turn on our screen by clicking the button by the side, the bigger one up. So you swipe up and you scroll down to the countdown. So mine is in the list format. So if yours is not in the list format and you like it to be in the list format, kindly watch the video where I explained how to convert it from the smart menu to the list format. So you just sorry about that. So you click on countdown. So you have default countdowns. You have 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You have 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 2 hours. So if you want a special time, maybe for example, maybe I want something in 2 minutes, and 2 minutes is not in the default ones. So you click on defined. So for the defined, you can always choose the amount of minutes, seconds, or hours you want. So the last one here is seconds. This is for minutes, and this is for hours. So in my case, I'm just interested in 2 minutes, so I'll just swipe it up twice and I have 2 minutes set and I click on sure. So and it starts the countdown. So if I want it to pause, I can press pause. If I want it to play, I can press play. The same thing applies with using this button to cancel if I'm not interested anymore. So and that's basically how you can use the countdown feature on your QW33 smartwatch. Be sure to ask for any other features you'd like me to explain. I'm always ready to actually explain it. And also subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you feel I'm doing a good job. Thanks and have a nice day.